Hello, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Ria.
Where do you live?
I stay in Pune.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What do you usually do every day?
I study and also help at home.
What time do you usually sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock at night.
What did you eat in the morning?
I ate bread and butter for breakfast.
Do you often watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Which food do you enjoy the most?
I enjoy eating dosa.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I like music very much.
Which sport do you enjoy playing?
I like playing cricket.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have a close friend?
Yes, my best friend is Neha.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you enjoy going to the beach?
Yes, I like the beach.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
No, I cannot swim.
Can you drive a car?
No, I cannot drive yet.
Are you hungry now?
No, I am not hungry.
What's the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Hi. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 6:30, and you?
A bit later, around 7:30. By the way, how do you usually get to work?
I take the bus, it's convenient. What about you?
I drive my car. Speaking of work, what's your job?
I'm a graphic designer. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's creative. How long have you been working there?
Almost 3 years. And how long have you been studying English?
I've been studying for about 2 years.
Nice, so what do you usually do on weekends?
I often meet friends or watch a movie. What's your favorite movie?
I really like Inception. Do you like reading books or watching movies more?
I enjoy reading. What kind of books do you like to read?
Mostly novels. And you, what kind of music do you listen to?
Pop and classical. By the way, do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
That's cool. How often do you exercise?
I try to go to the gym 3 times a week. What's your favorite way to exercise?
I like jogging. And how do you stay healthy?
I eat balanced food and sleep well. What do you usually eat for lunch?
Mostly rice and vegetables. Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes. Do you like spicy food?
I love it. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Coffee for me.
Same here. So, what did you do yesterday?
I worked all day, then relaxed with some music. What do you do to relax?
I usually read or meditate. How do you spend your evenings?
I watch TV or go for a walk.
Nice. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Thailand. What's the best trip you've taken?
A trip to Goa. Do you often travel?
Not really, maybe once a year. Do you prefer traveling by plane or car?
Plane, it's faster. What's your favorite place to visit?
The beach. What's your favorite holiday?
Diwali. How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
With family and a cake.
Last question, do you prefer cats or dogs?
Dogs and you.
Dogs, too. They're the best.
Hi Ria, it's great to see you again. Let's have a friendly yet insightful chat today. So, tell me, how would you describe yourself in 3 words?
I'd say I'm resilient, curious, and empathetic. These traits have shaped how I approach challenges, both at work and in life.
That's interesting. Speaking of challenges, what do you find to be the most demanding part of your current job?
Honestly, managing multiple priorities under tight deadlines can be tough. But I've learned to break large tasks into smaller, achievable goals. That keeps me from feeling overwhelmed.
Smart strategy. How do you usually handle stress when work pressure intensifies?
I pause and take a few deep breaths first. Then I either go for a short walk or listen to instrumental music. I've realized that recentering myself helps me think clearly.
Lovely. What's one important lesson you've learned this year?
I've learned that consistency beats intensity. Instead of pushing hard for a short while, maintaining steady effort brings lasting results.
Well said. Now, let's shift gears a bit. What motivates you to keep going, especially when things don't go your way?
My motivation comes from progress itself. Even a small improvement encourages me to move forward. Plus, I remind myself why I started in the first place.
That's powerful. And what would you say is your proudest achievement so far?
I'd say leading a team project that turned around a failing client account. It tested my patience and leadership, but the outcome was worth every bit of effort.
Impressive. On the flip side, what's your biggest regret?
Probably not believing in myself earlier. I spent too much time doubting my abilities instead of developing them.
I think we all go through that phase. So, how do you define success now?
For me, success means living with purpose and peace, doing work that aligns with my values and still allows time for personal growth.
Beautifully put. And how do you manage to balance work and personal life?
I set clear boundaries. After work hours, I disconnect from emails and spend quality time with family. Weekends are strictly for recharge.
Nice discipline. What do you usually do in your free time?
I read, mostly nonfiction. The last book I read was Atomic Habits. It completely changed how I view small daily actions.
Ah, a great choice. One last question. Where do you see yourself in the long run? What's your ultimate goal?
My long-term goal is to build my own leadership development firm. I want to help young professionals find confidence in communication and decision-making.
That's inspiring, Ria. You're clearly on the right path. Keep growing, and never lose that spark.
Follow for more fluent English every single day.